How to make money on Twitter for free in 2019. Hi guys, my name is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's video, I will show you exactly how to make money on Twitter with no investment needed, no skills needed, no websites, no expensive or advanced stuff. This is something super simple you can do in minutes, and all you have to do is just copy and paste the same exact phrase. So I'm going to show you the exact strategy. You can make money with this in any niche. So obviously, if you are in the make money online niche or work from home niche, you can do that. If you are if you have a blog in the dog niche, golf niche, fishing niche, any other niche, you can make money this way as well. And this is the brilliance of this method, because not many people are actually doing this, and this just blows my mind that this is so simple to do. Anyone can do it. All you need is a free Twitter account, and not many people are actually doing this, and you can make hundreds of dollars per day this way. Okay, so I'm going to show you the exact strategy, but before I do, let me just remind you that each time I'm recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So I will reveal who won the $10 from my last video in the end of this one, so please stick with me until the end of this video. But right now, if you want to enter the giveaway, please like this video, please subscribe to this channel of mine, please click on the bell notifications, and please leave me a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to. And if you have a question, just leave a question as well together with your PayPal email. So do these 4 things right now if you want to enter the $10 giveaway. And also, please check out the links in the description of this video. The number 1 link is my top recommendation for making money online. This system will make you hundreds of dollars on autopilot. So this is something that I highly recommend you pick up. And also check out the rest of the links, because I'm always sharing a ton of resources when it comes to making money online and working from home. Okay, so check out the links in the description. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video: how to make money on Twitter for free in 2019. Okay, so obviously what you're gonna need is a free Twitter account. Now what I recommend for this method is actually having just a general Twitter account. So I have mine dedicated to marketing, so I won't be using my marketing Twitter account to be promoting offers from other niches. It just wouldn't make sense, right? But I'm just going to show you an example right here. But if you are in a dog niche, it would be good to have a matching account. So whatever at dog niche lover or whatever. If you're in the fishing niche, have an account that is related to fishing, etc. And if you have a general account just with your name, you can essentially use any niche, and this is I would say the #1 way to go if you want to focus on this method solely. So if you just have a Twitter account with your name and you are not focusing on any particular niche, you can apply this to any niche online. So first of all, you're going to need a free Twitter account. Obviously you don't need any followers to do this, by the way. So all you need is a Twitter account. If you have a brand new Twitter account, I would just follow a few people, get a few follows back, just to show that your Twitter account is legitimate. Maybe even buy a few followers, not thousands, but just to show that your Twitter account is legitimate. And the other thing that you're gonna need is a Clickbank account, and that's free as well, obviously. So you're gonna sign up for your Clickbank account. What Clickbank is, if you don't know, this is an affiliate network. So there are a ton of different products that you can promote as an affiliate and make a great commission, anything between 50% to 100% depending on the offer. And as you can see, there you have a number of different niches that you can promote. So once you're logged in, you're just going to click on Marketplace right here on the top, and as you can see, the different niches that you can be promoting. So arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, cooking, education, fiction, games, health and fitness, home and garden, mobile, politics, self-help, sports, travel, anything you want, it is here. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that actually works, because you'll be focusing on niches that are emotional to people, and you'll be actually solving a problem for someone. So, you know, if someone is maybe interested in like self-help, or, you know, or games or fiction or whatever, they might buy something from you. But if they have a problem, then, you know, and you're giving them a solution, then by all, you know, the probability that they will actually buy what you are recommending to them is much higher. So first of all, let's just think about the niches that will solve a problem. So what I like to do is, I actually typed it right here. I want to lose weight, and this is the phrase that you'll be looking on Twitter. So obviously this is in the lose weight niche. This is a problem for people, right? So people that want to lose weight often will go to Twitter and say, listen guys, I'm looking to lose weight, I want to lose weight, and they're looking for maybe motivation, maybe some ideas. And how you're gonna find these people is you want to type in I want to lose weight in brackets. So this means that this will bring the exact phrase from Twitter. So all around Twitter you will find all of the people that just recently typed in I want to lose weight, and you want to use the exact phrase with quotation marks, which will bring only this phrase exactly. So open quotation marks, I want to lose weight, close quotation mark, and then you're going to type in minus HTTP, you know, this exactly what you see in the beginning of any website. So as you can see, you have you know, https -- twitter.com. You're gonna just type in this, which will mean that you will find all of the people that typed in this and they didn't share a link. Obviously, you know, a ton of people will be sharing some resources on how to lose weight, but you want only the people that actually asked a question or typed in something about losing weight without the link, which means that they are looking for some ideas or some inspiration, and you will essentially be just replying to them. So as you can see, you know, we got the quotations mark, I want to lose weight minus HTTP, and we have all these people that are you know, essentially talking about wanting to lose weight. So we have this lady, mostly cardio, treadmills, aerobics, because I want to lose weight too. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Clickbank, you will click on, so right here in the marketplace, we will just, where it says find products, we will type in lose weight, and this will bring up the top products that you can promote. Okay, so, you know, obviously we're gonna search through them. We're gonna choose the best one that has a good payout. So, you know, I'm not gonna focus on picking the best method right now. I'm just gonna show you. Let's say, you know, this one makes $25 per sale, lose weight, gain energy. So, you know, this looks like a pretty good offer. All you have to do is just click on promote, create a link, and you're gonna get your affiliate link. So each time someone will click on this link and they will actually buy something, you will get a commission. But because this link doesn't really look nice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy it, we will close this, and we will go to bit.ly.com, which is a URL shortening service. So we will just paste it right here, shorten, and as you can see, we have a nice little link that actually looks much better than this long link from Clickbank, right? So you can use bit.ly.com, you know, the URLs are short and nice. You can use tinyurl.com, and actually with tinyurl you can optimize it, so you can, you know, use an URL saying like http:/tinyurl.com/weight loss or whatever. Or if you own a site, you can literally use a free plugin called Pretty Link. So if you have a, you know, my site is artofmarketingblog.com, I can turn any link into artofmarketingblog.com/ whatever I want. So /weight loss or /lose weight or whatever I want. Okay, so these are the free ways you can shorten a link. Obviously, you know, you can use the Google shortener or any other shortener, but these are the ones that I would recommend to you. So once you have your link, let's copy it again. We will go back to Twitter and we will just reply to this person. So she says, because I want to lose weight too, I would say something like, I was struggling with weight issues too. This is what helped me. And all you're gonna do is just add the link to it and maybe say something like, check it out. And what you're gonna do now is you'll copy this, you will reply to this person, and then you will go down the list of tweets and just reply to everything. This says, I want to lose weight so bad I can't stand it. You know, let's reply to this person as well. Another reply, right? This guy says he's actually sharing some Pinterest photo. This, you know, we wouldn't reply to this because this guy is actually trying to sell something, right? I want to lose weight and feel pretty good. You know, this person looks like she or he wants to lose weight. Let's reply to this person as well. So we have 3. You can literally go through the list and, you know, just keep on doing it. If you're gonna do this, you know, 15 minutes, 20 minutes a day, you will reply to hundreds of people. And just if you know, a few people will buy, let's say, you know, you're gonna reply to 100 people, 10 people will buy, and this pays out $25. So if 10 people will buy, you just made $250 just from replying to tweets. So this is the power behind this method. And just a quick note, you can use different keywords in the same niche and also try different niches. The top niches when it comes to solving problems for people is weight loss, smoking, parenting, travel, and making money online. So you can check out all these niches, and obviously you can use different keywords. Like inside the weight loss niche is, I want to lose weight, I would like to lose weight, I am struggling with weight loss, etc. So just keep on trying different keywords because different people will be typing in different keywords obviously in their tweets, and also go after different niches. And just keep in mind, you are solving a problem for someone. So the more severe a problem is, the more people are actually passionate about it and passionate about solving it. Okay, a nice little tip that I have for you, you know, let's go to marketplace again. Let's go to fitness and where is it, health and fitness. You see here it sorts by popularity. You can also sort by average rebill total, which means that you know, this will bring up the highest paying offers to promote to the top, and you can actually look for the ones with recurring billing. So as you can see, these 2 arrows, these 2 blue arrows right here, it says recurring billing. This means that if someone buys, they will be paying monthly. So, you know, you only need to make the sale once, and this person will continue paying every single month, and every single month you will get a commission, which means that you'll be creating passive income for yourself. So you know, getting a sale once is cool. You know, making $25 or $50 a pop is pretty you know, it's pretty cool. But if you can recommend something with recurring billing and make the sale once, and you know, just continue getting these commissions every single month, this, you know, this just takes it to a whole new level. You can create passive income this way, and you know, a month from now, 2 months from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, you'll be getting commissions from something that you did, you know, way back. You won't be even remembering what you did, but you'll be seeing the money coming. And so, you know, this is the power behind this method. Okay, and if you want to take it to even a whole new level and you want to automate it, you can actually hire someone to do all of this for you. You know, so you can lose 15 to 20 to 30 minutes a day doing this yourself, or you can hire a VA, a virtual assistant, to do this for you. You can pay them per month or by the hour or by week or whatever. And the #1 resource to hiring someone online is onlinejobs.ph, and this is, as you can see, the world's largest and safest marketplace for finding rock star Filipino workers. Now, Filipino workers are known for being the best when it comes to being virtual assistants. Normally if someone would hire you to do this kind of job, you would see, okay, there's a lot of money to be made. I'm just going to do this myself. I'm not going to do this for $5 an hour. I'm just going to do this strategy myself. But Filipino workers are very reliable, so which means that, if you're going to hire them to do this, they won't screw you over. They will actually work for you, be grateful that you are paying them for this job, and they will be very reliable, and you can essentially count on them. They won't screw you over, and it's pretty cheap because $1 in the Philippines go a long way. So $5 per hour for you is nothing because you can make easily $50 back, but for Filipino people, $5 can go a long way. So this is the way you can automate it and create a legit online business. Someone can do this for you. All you have to do is just pay them the salary, and this automates it. And this combined with the recurring billing can create an amazing passive income. So this is just a great way, because again, all you're using is free online tools, free online apps, and all you have to do is copy paste, which means anyone can do it. There's not much to it. Okay, guys, so this is my strategy for you today. Check it out. I hope you're gonna make a ton of money with it. I know that this works because I've tried it before. I've seen some people do it, and keep in mind, this is not a strategy that is widely available and widely known. So not many people are actually doing it. The ones that are doing it are making money, but not many people know about it. So check it out. I'm sure that you're gonna make a ton of money, and just good luck. If you want to make even more money, check out the links in the description. Again, these are my top recommended resources, and again, the first one is something that will make you hundreds of dollars per day on autopilot. So again, check out the links in the description. And if you want to enter the giveaway, the $10 giveaway that I'm doing each time I am recording these free training videos, again, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notifications, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email. And right now, let's just see who won the $10 from my last free training video. Okay, so let's just see here. We will go to my last video, best work from home jobs make $25 to $50 per hour with no experience. You can check out this video as well if you want to make even more money online. So let's grab the URL, and we will go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste it in. We will search for a unique comment, 34 comments, and let's just pick a random one, okay? Okay, we have a winner, Luz Soto. He only left the email, which means no question. If you want to win $10, just like Luz just did, again, just do these 4 things, and in the next video, I will be picking another random comment and people that did these 4 things, and you can win $10 just essentially for doing these 4 things. So right now, let's just send the money to Luz. Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $10 to the winner. And again, if you want to win, please go through these 4 steps, and I will be picking another random person in the next video. Please keep on going back to my channel because I always record a ton of free training videos. I hope these are helping you, and I know that these will make you some money. So I will see you in the next video. Ciao.